on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be wrapping German 2J's single turbo 335. Right now we just got the car cleaned up. Miles came by yesterday and helped us with some spots that need to be
rock chips and whatnot.
Yeah.
We got all the door handles off, the reflectors, we got the caps off, we got all the emblems debadged, lights are off. We're about to get the fender liners out.
Bumpers off.
We're also gonna get the headlights off. Just anything to make it a clean wrap. You want to be able to tuck around the corner.
So we're not actually wrapping it. We have a buddy coming in that his name's Marco from Mayan Wraps. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'll put the Instagram down in the description so you guys can check him out. He does really sick work. He's gonna come by and actually help us today with the wrap, because we're not professional rappers. I'm not a rapper out here. Neither is Erwin. It's like a close-up of the wrap when we put the flash on it. You can really see the purple more. When you turn, it kind of like shifts. And then when you come back, it looks like black. It's like a midnight purple, and then when you get close with the light on it,
I think with the sunlight,
the sunlight, it'll make it look way more purple. So what kind of wrap did you go with?
Well, it's a 3M, the midnight purple. So the color code is GP298. I just chose it because I like the. It's not too flashy. Keeps it low key. Looks black at night. You gotta get some light on it.
So as you saw from the time lapse, we actually weren't able to finish up the hood, the trunk, and the roof because we ran out of some wrap. But right now we're actually just doing some of the side pieces. Like over here, we're doing the mirror caps, the roof fin, got the bumper out, put the grills in, and then we got some black accents we're going just with the side things for the front grills and the two blinkers on the side painted in black. That's how I like it. Okay, we're back. We finally got some more wrap. Getting started on the hood. Marco just finished up the wrap. Came out really sick, guys. We still gotta wash up the car, clean it up a little bit, and then we're gonna move it over to the center here. I'm gonna get some sick shots for you guys in the light. But it's like 7 o'clock now, so it's dark outside. So I don't know if we could get any shots in the sun today. Well, I know we can't get any shots in the sun today because it's dark. How you liking the new wrap?
So excited.
Does it look good?
So good. Can't wait to get it washed up in the sun, especially.
What are you measuring for, Ali?
So apparently he wants this plate to push down on the coils.
Like
I was just gonna zip
coil
it.
cover, yeah.
Yeah, but he wants it like when we actually tighten to really push down on the coils. So I'm just measuring where the coils touch, and then that's where I'm gonna start the bend from.
Yo, do what everyone wants to see.
Let's get down.
Piss with your pants all the way down.
I would say just go enough for the filter cavity, yeah, right there.
So Ali's just marking a little cut that he's gonna have to do so it can go around his VTT breather. As you guys can see, it's not really polished up yet, but damn. That looks good.
Take the bolts out, so I just do this.
Come from this angle here.
It's not perfect. What can you do?
This turbo guard's way too big. New one's coming, but give him like a shot like crazy.
Can you take it out so I can, cut it? Oh, that looks sick. And this is gonna be done too.
Is that gonna be welded or are you gonna bolt it?
It's gonna be bolted.
Nice.
But I'm gonna do it better. I haven't really got to that. Yeah.
Here's the prototype version 1. As you guys can see, Ali did the cut around it. Coils are covered, all the wires are tucked. And then here's the intake kind of box that you still gotta fabricate on the side to push the air. Yeah, and Ali's gonna make him a new bracket for his coolant reservoir. But guys, it's really unique in my opinion. I really like it. It's a version 1 prototype. We still gotta polish it up, make it look good, but
Coming soon, yeah.
I was thinking it'd be really sick if he put his Instagram handle here, like engraved it at German2J. I'm gonna end off the video here, guys. That's a wrap of finishing German2J's wrap. Wink, wink. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share the video with a friend, turn your post notifications on if you haven't already. Remember, I post every Saturday, guys, at 6 p.m. Remember to stay tuned. It's been Dujo. I'm out. Peace.